what's up guys, this is me Hyper Giga, and Roblox has been actually glitching for like the past few weeks, I think so. So just I was when I was on the on my laptop and just checking the Roblox thing. Well, what just happened is that like I was just going to wear another back accessories, but what just happened is very glitchy. You know, I always wear the this thing face this face thing. I don't know what to say that, but that face sip and sword. But what just happened today? Today I was just playing. I was just going to change to the I just mistakenly changed it to the poster girl, and I just saw that my face sip and sword and the poster girl record thing is just going like crazy. It's just showing that I'm wearing the two items at the same point. I didn't even do the advanced mode, and it just shows that I'm wearing the two accessories. Actually, you cannot do this. I don't know if this glitch is available on mobile, but I know it's on the computer version slash laptop. But yeah, that's kind of glitch because you cannot even change it without using this thing. So the second thing is actually when the Stranger Things event items does sometimes doesn't actually come. Come on your avatar thing page, that avatar page. So I don't really know what's happening to that. And yeah, I think they should actually change the glitches from there. So I was just buying the walkie-talkie which was there, and I couldn't even bought it. I couldn't even buy it. It was even not showing that not the badge. It was not even coming. And when I just rejoined, I just saw that my 100 star coins are gone. It's gone. I just had to grind, and then I bought it. Just came on my inventory after that. So those are the two glitches which I actually found. If there are more glitches on Roblox, I will actually be recording. No, I will be not recording them. I will be actually updating you guys so that you also know. You guys also know. So that's it. You guys enjoyed. If you did, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and join my. I mean, no, don't do that. No, I don't even have a Discord now. Okay, so just follow me on Roblox. And yeah, peace out.